Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all were fine there, and I am welcoming you all in my another video. So stick to my video till the last part of it so you can learn learn something and know my perspective on some particular topics. So I'm here about love, food, hunger. So I want to ask you all a question in these two sentences form. So listen. My problem is love, solution is you, and my problem is hunger, solution is food. So take a pause, think about it, comment down below because I want to know you all. I want to know others' perspective here and what my viewers think about this. So, what is relevant? Now, before discussing these all things, I want to quote here about be yourself. That is, people are often unreasonable, self centered, so forgive them anyway. If you are honest, people will cheat you. Be honest anyway. If you are kind, people may accuse you of ulterior motives. Be kind anyway. If you are happy, people may be jealous. Be happy anyway. What you do good today may be forgotten tomorrow, but do good. Give the world the best you have. It will never be enough. So be the best, give your best anyway. Because in the end, it was never between them and you. It was only between you and God. So these last two sentences hit my heart directly that it's only about me and God. It was never between me and them. So why to worry about them, yaar? Be happy, be yourself. So now the thing is hunger, food, love. And what did you think about those two sentences? So I am sharing my thought here. If you are hungry, can you love? Can you be happy? And if you are getting love from everyone and no one is giving you food to eat, and you are also not getting food to eat, what will you do? We all are doing the things only because of this puppy pet, isn't it? So yeah, if you are hunger, you can't love, you can't spread happiness. So I ask you all, if you are at the time empty stomach, if you have an empty stomach, can you love? Sitting side in the corner and waiting for food, will that food come to you? No, not at all. Because you will have to work hard for your food, for your love. Because in this world, we are not getting anything free. If you give something, you will get. If you are not giving anything to anyone, you are not going to get anything. So I suggest you all at this stage of life, you should be a lone wolf and go getter. And what I mean here with these two terms, lone wolf and go getter, lone wolf means you are the only friend of yourself. You can help yourself without expecting from anyone. You can make your life. And if you are go getter means you are goal oriented person, you are focused to your work. And if you are focused concentrated to your work, no one gonna defeat you, no one gonna hit you to cut short, no one can harm you, isn't it? Don't you think so? I really believe in working hard. You know, before making videos, I was like Nalla, unemployed. I was only doing household chores, listening all the taunts of my members of the family on societies, and I was really tired being judged by the society. So I thought I was crying in the corner and sit aside and think, what should I do for my life? I can't live my life in this way, because it really hurt you. You don't want to live your life. So give a reason yourself, give a reason yourself that you can live your life happily. If you are not getting anything, it is okay, it's okay, completely okay, because after trying you are not getting anything, then you can console yourself, you can compel yourself, because you are the entire world of yourself. I think so, because if you are trying hard and not getting success, then you get success or can be a failure. After failing, you can know about you that you are not good at that, you should try something other. And mm, if you are liking to do the same thing in that you are not getting success, then try hard, try to find out in which stage you are wrong at. And so I don't want to be a loser, I don't want called only as a housewife, and I think you all are not like that, because we all are grown up, and now we are supposed to be an asset for the society, for this world, not a liability on anyone. So friends, try hard, try hard to get something in your life. If you are not getting, it's okay, it's completely okay, because you will at least get happiness. And at the end of this video, I want to conclude after saying some lines. Be greedy and needy for your passion. Think about yourself. Give your time to your family members, for society. But when you can do these all things, when you are happy, when you are success, isn't it? So try to work hard every time. Try to make yourself busy every time, and try to get time for yourself also, so you can think about yourself, you can improve yourself. And as quotes inspired us, as quotes hit my heart directly, that was two lines. It was never between me and them, it was only between me and God. So guys, we all are human beings, we all have virtue to love, so spread love and work hard. And special thanks for Aman Oshong, who gave his precious time for me, and who commented on my more videos. So thank you, Aman Oshong. I'm really finding your comment inspirable, and your comment motivated me. So I hope I will try my best, and you will get happiness also. And I love you all, my viewers, my subscribers, and my all supporters who showered love on me. Thank you so much guys, thank you. Bye bye, love you all.